Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. In today's video, we are going to unbox the OnePlus Nord 4, and this is the 8GB to 4GB Oasis green color of the OnePlus Nord 4. So you can see a bit difference in the color pattern. So previously we are getting a sticker over there, but actually currently no stickers. So let's So OnePlus Nord 4, you can see made in India. Okay, OnePlus. So here is the phone itself. Let's keep it aside and let's see. Okay, the adapter. So you can see 100-watt super VOOC adapter over here, and then USB type A to USB type C data cables as well. And then let's see what else we are getting. So we are getting a transparent case, which seems to be a decent quality one. You can see side is a bit of a smoky finish versus the back is a transparent finish over here, and some note stickers and a quick guide. Red cable club, probably this would be having a 3 months of extended warranty. So, and then SIM ejector tool. Let's keep everything aside, and this is the package. And oh, look at that. So this is really a matte finish. And here is a sort of a glossy finish over here. And if you look at the sides, the premium, high-end premium feel at the moment we hold the phone, which is really great. Wow, feels like I'm holding some Galaxy S23 or something like that. It feels really premium in the hands. So you can see the body and you can see the bottom, and feels premium all around. And the front, okay, so this is the green color, and here it's a sort of glossy finish, you can see, and versus the matte. Let's see how it gonna looks with the case which is provided. And okay, so you see, and now let me, so wow, and over here you can see bloatware, bubble, and see tile match, word connect. So 3 bloatwares are there, and you can see a Fitbit app as well, and you can see Haptics, Agoda. So previously it was not there, and you can see the LinkedIn Mindra. It's fine to be having there, but still I prefer, let us check. Okay, uninstall. Yeah, we can uninstall it right away. So let me delete this. I also uninstall. Okay, so we can uninstall, that's fine. And one more thing is that's the word connect. Let me uninstall it, that also. Okay, so now feels almost fine. Also, we have the OnePlus 2R as well, and we will be unboxing this pretty soon, so stay tuned. OnePlus Nord 4 have most hype for this design. So let's talk about the design first. So it weighs 199.5, and you can see it's almost even distribution. And if you ask about the thickness, you can see 8 mm, and feels really premium to hold its hands. And you can see the glass front, aluminum back, as well as aluminum frame. And I think this is a glass and the aluminum frame over here. And now let's check the displays settings. Display and brightness, you can see light mode and dark mode. We can schedule it from time to time. And then we have the auto brightness. Screen color mode, you can see vibrant, natural, and pro mode. Brilliant is there. So this gives the maximum vibrant colors out there, the brilliant. So let me switch to the brilliant out there. And then we have the eye comfort, that is the blue light filter. So you can schedule it from time to time and all. And you can say have the display size options, and the screen attention mode, auto screen off, and the screen resolution, you can see standard and high. Let me switch to the high. So high would be 2772 into 1240, and standard would be the FHD display over here. And then the refresh rate, so you can see standard is a 60 Hz and high is the 120 Hz, and it will be automatically select if it's not auto select. Now let us check. This is the display of the OnePlus Nord 4. You can see the colors are really sharp and vibrant. You can see it's a fluid AMOLED, 1 billion color reproduction, 120 Hz of refresh rate over here, and it supports HDR10+, and the peak brightness is 2150 nits of peak brightness. And if you observe the inches of the phone, it's approximately 6.74 inches, and you can see bezels are very, that means chin is very less, approximately 90% screen to body ratio. And I have already talked about currently the phone is in the maximum resolution, that's 1 240 into 2772 pixels, and the PPA is 450. So in terms of the display, I didn't felt any issues. The colors are really sharp and vibrant. Also, we have switched the mode from the normal vivid to the brilliant for the maximum color sharpness and vibrancy. So it's a matter of personal preference. Wow. Next is one thing related to the haptics. The haptic is really good over, especially when we do this type of vibrate silent. The haptics we are getting is really cool. I just love it. So obviously it's a haptics motor we have seen in the previous phones as well. So what I will show you, just go to sound and vibration, and you can see this sound settings. You can see the basic settings over here, and then apart from that we have the reality audio, then we have the spatial audio effects with the earphones, then we have the holo audio, and we have the haptics. So I would recommend to keep it the haptics to the maximum. So it's a really nice haptic feedback. And you can see in more we have some default device options as well. And now it's time to check the audio quality of the OnePlus Nord 4. Okay, so audio quality seems really nice. Actually, I didn't felt any issues considering the price segment. It's a decent audio quality, and there is no wow factor about this audio. So according to the price segment, it's done a great job. That's it. Now let's switch to some basic tips and tricks of the phone. So that's just drawing an O to open the camera. You can see just I have drawn an O. You can see instantly turns on the camera. If I draw a V over here, you can see just draw a V, and you can see instantly turns on the flashlight. If I again draw a V, it turns off the flashlight. So it's just in the settings. Just go to settings and just scroll down to this location, accessibility and convenience, and over here you can see these many locations, and over here just go to the gestures and motions, and over here you can see screen off gestures. There is a lot of settings. I will just go through it quickly. We can customize 3 of them. There you can see draw up arrow, draw M, and draw W. You can customize to your favorite tabs. So just tap over here and tap open an app and select the favorite application. You can select 3 of them. So by just drawing, you can select 3 of your favorite applications like Call of Duty, BGMI, or Asphalt 9. So it would be based upon your personal preference. And even when your screen is off, just by drawing this arrow, it can go to the next song. Just this left arrow will go to previous song, and double swipe, that means with 2 fingers it will pause the audio. So a lot of functions are there. So that's the screen of gestures. And then we have some air gestures as well. So I'll just quickly see. That means for answering and ending the calls, we have air gesture control also. Now on taking a screenshot, just 3 fingers swipe down. That's it for the screenshot. And for the partial screenshot, that means this portion should not be shared and the portion below that should be shared. In such cases, just press and hold with 3 fingers, and you can see a draggable area appears, and drag the exact area which you need, and you can see you can just drag to any location. So like from this portion to this portion, and you can share this one, and even you can write over here note, share, note to share. Okay, you can see, and just share like this instantly to your WhatsApp or any social media platforms, or you can just save it in the gallery. So a lot of nice options are there. And one more thing is there. So we have already learned about, currently if I draw M over here, you can see M, instantly the Google Assistant is currently set up. But one more thing is that, so if you want to turn on the torch, you can currently draw a V, and you can again draw a V for turn on. But one more thing is there, with the volume down key, press and hold, you can also turn the volume. You can see, just press and hold the volume down button. When the screen is off, you can see the flash would be turned on, and again press and hold the volume down button. You can see the flash will be turned off. So it's in the settings over there itself. So the same location, gestures and motions, you can see turn on and off the torch. You can see just turn it on, and you can have this 2 settings over here also. And then we have the raise to wake, and means whenever you just lift the phone, instantly it wakes the phone, and then lift ear to answer call. That means whenever you're receiving incoming call, just lift your phone to the ear, automatically answers the call. You have auto switch to receive. That means if you're in speaker and someone not much familiar to you enters your room, you can just lift your phone from the table or desk and directly to the ear, instantly it will switch from the speaker to the earpiece. And then last one is flip to mute incoming calls, and whenever you're receiving that incoming calls, just flip up your phone like this, instantly it will mute the calls. And it's nothing, its name is flip to flip, so it have flip to mute incoming calls. This feature is also over there. And I would like to show you some cool interesting features as well. So you can see currently if I'm in Chrome, and currently if I need to use two apps at the same window, and then I need to just tap over here and just tap over here and select split screen and select the next tab which you need. So you can see this is the first way to access the split screen, and even you can swap swipes. And the next thing is, so if I'm in the Play Store, just 3-finger swipe up and select the next application which you need. So might be messages. You can see this is the second way to activate that, and even you can swap sides from this as well. Edge screen for the OnePlus Nord 4. What? For this flat display, yes, you can see the edge panel is there. So just here you can see it's named Smart Sidebar. Just guess how you can see you can have a lot of applications over, and you can customize it by just tapping the edit, select the apps which you need and unselect the one which you don't need, and just so you can see it's completely going to the apps which you have installed, everything, and just done. When you are done with this, you can see, yeah, it's done. And now at any screen, maybe you are browsing in the Chrome, and you can see choose floating auto hide. Okay, so if you're in Chrome browsing something, and meanwhile you need to have another application, so no need to worry, no need to go to home and then go to the app launcher and select the app, no need. So just swipe over here, and you can see now instantly you can just turn on the app. So it will be my files. You can see the best part is it opens in a small top window that wouldn't distract your current use. That means you can still use the Chrome, meanwhile you can still access this app also. And if you tap over here, you can just even close the window. So that's really cool. Just give a swipe up over here, and if you want to always see this type of icon, then you can just push always see over there. So that's the smart sidebar. It's just regarding the quick launch. That means from the very own fingerprint scanner, you can instantly go to 5 of the applications. So just press and hold on the fingerprint scanner. You can set approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 applications, and just leave the finger over there. Instantly opens the application from very on lock screen. So how to set this up? Just go to settings, the same location, just go to settings and just scroll down to the accessibility and convenience, and over here just scroll down and you can see the quick launch option. Just turn it on, and you can just tap the edit over here, and even you can select your functions, your favorite apps. You can see, for example, I'm just selecting settings, photos, Play Store, and the Netflix over here. So whenever I just lock, currently the phone is locked, normal unlock you can done like this, or whenever you can unlock and leave the finger over there itself, you can see instantly you can go to any of the 5 apps. Just leave the finger on whichever application you need, instantly the application will be opened. So that's really cool. And next, let's quickly check the camera modes. You can see starting off we are getting the Pro mode, 1x and 2x, and you can see aperture, ISO, white balance can be adjusted. And then the video mode, you can see, let's see, maximum we can record 4K at 60 fps, and if you turn on the stabilization, it will be switching to 180p at 60 fps. And now let's switch to the photo. Again, 0.6x, 1x and 2x is available. And let's see in the portrait. Okay, 1x and 2x is available in the portrait. Okay, and next in the more, we have night mode, high resolution mode, panoramic film mode. It's like the pro video mode. You can see lot of settings over there, like the stabilization, grid lines. So lot of stuffs would be over there, and we can even adjust the aperture, ISO, white balances, and all over there. And then we have the slow motion, time lapse, long exposure, dual view. That means front camera along with rear camera at the same time. And then we have the document scanner. Now coming to the basic settings, apart from that, we can see we have wallpapers and style. Over here we are getting the full customization of the always on display over here, and then we have the complete customization of the font sizes, and then we have the complete customization of the icons regarding the icon size, icon names and all. And then we have the customization for the colors. You can see currently this color is approximately, you can see blue color. You can, if you want to change colors, you can just customize your color from this location also. And then you can change this. You can see currently it's round, you can change to any other colors in the notification panel. And then we can change the fingerprint icon animation. You can see, wow, this looks really nice. I will show you. See, okay, and if you put, okay, so, and then we have the edge lighting. So just 3 of them, anyways, it's have, so we can have the edge lighting as well. So in the wallpapers and style location, and then we have the home screen and lock screen. So here we are getting the drawer mode or the classic mode. Drawer mode with app launcher, classic standard mode means without app launcher. And then we have the double tap lock, so make sure it's enabled. And one more thing in there, swipe down on home screen. I would recommend to keep it on the notification drawer. Currently, if it's on the default like shelf, so if you just, you can see shelf is coming. So just switch to the notification drawer, and you can see very next time you can access the notification panel with ease. So that's really cool. And let's see here a few more options regarding the race to wake and all, and you can see the recent tasks manager as well. If you turn on, you can see the RAM information. You can see 2.33 GB available out of 8 plus 4 GB, so you can see that info as well. And so we have the clock styles. Let me show you quickly the clock styles on the lock screen. So you can see lock screen clock styles, so 2 of them, just that's it. And just go back, and now the best part, that's the dual app. So you can see app cloner, that means dual app, Facebook 1 along with Facebook 2, WhatsApp 1 along with WhatsApp 2. So it would be here. And next thing would be in the security and privacy. Just go to security and privacy, and just over here you can see few more options like app log, hide app, private safe, and system cloner. So this is one of the most important areas. So starting off from the app log, so just set a privacy password first. So let me switch to a pattern over there. So okay, it's done. And okay, it's done. Okay, and they're answering something random, and I'm gonna lock. So just turn on the app lock, and I'm gonna lock the Chrome. And you can see use fingerprint, so I'm just clicking the use. Now if I open the Chrome, you can see only can be accessed with my fingerprint. But the very next time, so if I just go back, the very next time if I open the Chrome, you can see it unlocked without the fingerprint. So each and every time it should be locked. Then you need to go app lock, tap this icon over here and tap set now, and over here lock app when currently it's locking on the screen, and you can switch to exit in the app. So that means, so you can see locked, and again I'm just going back, see again locked. So each and every time it would be locked, the application. So that's the app lock. And next is hide apps, to hide the application. So let me draw the pattern. So it's done. So I'm going to hide the Chrome itself. So set now, so it can be accessed with the codes. Suppose if your code is 1111, before and after the code there should be a hash. So hash 1111 hash. So done and done. And now you can see you can't see Chrome any over here. You see no Chrome. So let me type Chrome over there. See no Chrome. Okay, now all you need to do is just go to dialer and dial your pin, like the before and ending hash. Start with the hash 1111 your pin and hash. You can see instantly the hidden apps would be here. So it's really is. And let's go back. So again going to the hide apps and just disable it, and now you're good to go. Next is private safe. It's like a secure folder, not like a secure folder, but you can separately keep your images, videos, documents, and other files. So it's also asked for my fingerprint, and just over here and just tap the albums which you want to add to this location. So if I'm tapping the screenshot over here, then set as private, then this would be completely hidden from my gallery, and it would be only appear. Even from my files it wouldn't be shown. You can see my images is showing 0 MB, and whenever I need this, just go to this private safe and unlock, and then I need to go to this location and then select, and then from here you can just set this back to the public. You can see, and you can see set as public to any specific location. So that's how it works. And apart from that, one more setting is there, so that would, let me show you. So that would be in the settings, and just scroll down, and for the security and privacy, and at the bottom you can see system clone. That means 2 phones in just a single phone. Maybe one is your personal phone along with one is your business requirement phone. So just started. So enter the lock string password 1234. Let me, so creating a system clone, that means it creates a separate clone, and this clone area you can create a separate accounts also. You can see 4321, skip, and the system clone. So now it's in the system clone mode. So let me type 4321. That's my password for the system clone. So you can see it's a complete setting. It would be completely set as a new one. So you can see, okay, and take a bit of time of loading. So we can see, and if I open the gallery or my files, you can see it does not have any data, completely new. You can see no videos, no files. And if I again just lock my phone and unlock with my main pin, that's 1234. Now it would be automatically switching to the main phone, and you can see now it having my wallpapers, my videos. You can see everything is there. So audios, videos, everything is there. So that was it regarding the quick unboxing and the quick tips, tricks, and features and setting up video of the Oneplus Note 4. So guys, that's today, signing off. It's Phone Mania.